Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC 8, question number 14. Abe holds one green and one red jelly bean in his hand. Bia holds one green, one yellow, two red jelly beans in her hand. Each randomly picks a jelly bean to show the other. What is the probability that the colors match? Okay, so Abe is 1G and then 1R. Bia is 1G, 1 yellow, and 2 red. So what is the odds of, we'll consider the first case green and red. So the first case would be green. The odds of picking the green are 1/2 for Abe. And the odds of picking the green are 1/4 for Bia. The odds of picking the red for Abe is 1/2. And the odds of picking the red for Bia is 1/2. Which would mean that your total is 1/8 plus 1/4, which is just 3/8, which means that C is your answer.